Are you looking to own the iconic Land Cruiser Prado 2025 without breaking the bank? In this video, our top car expert shares insider tips and tricks to help you get the best deal on this legendary 4x4 SUV. The Land Cruiser Prado has built a reputation for its off-road capabilities, durability, and luxury. But what if you could own one for less? Stay tuned as we reveal secrets that could save you thousands on your dream SUV. The Land Cruiser Prado 2025 is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and reliability. Known for its rugged off-road ability and long-lasting performance, the Prado is a top choice for adventurers and families alike. But with its premium features, getting one at the best price can be a challenge. That's where we come in. Our expert tips will help you find the best value for your money, ensuring you don't overpay for this incredible SUV. One of the first insider tips we'll cover is the best time to buy the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado. Timing plays a huge role in getting the cheapest deal. Our expert will break down the best months for purchase, when dealerships offer the biggest discounts, and how to use seasonal promotions to your advantage. With a little knowledge, you can secure a better price and drive away with the Prado of your dreams at a fraction of the cost. Next, we'll dive into the differences between trims and models of the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado. Whether you're eyeing the base model or a more feature-packed version, understanding the pricing structure and what each trim level offers can help you make an informed decision. Our expert explains how to balance features with budget and highlights the trims that give you the most value for your money without compromising on quality. We also explore the importance of researching dealership offers and financing options. Did you know that some dealerships offer hidden promotions or financing deals that can significantly reduce your overall cost? Our expert will show you how to compare offers, check for loyalty discounts, and leverage financing rates to secure the cheapest deal on a 2025 Land Cruiser Prado. Learn how to maximize your buying power and avoid hidden fees. Another crucial tip is buying a certified pre-owned 2025 Land Cruiser Prado. If you're looking to save money without sacrificing quality, a CPO Prado might be the perfect option. In this section, our expert will walk you through the advantages of buying a pre-owned model, what to look for in a certified pre-owned vehicle, and how you can still enjoy the luxury and reliability of the Land Cruiser Prado at a lower price point. Finally, we'll give you pro tips for negotiating the best deal on your Land Cruiser Prado purchase. Negotiation is a critical skill when it comes to buying a car, and our expert will provide actionable strategies that can help you lower the price. Learn how to approach dealers, what offers to make, and how to stay firm in your budget. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to secure the cheapest Land Cruiser Prado 2025 and drive off in style.